Night 13, September 12th, 2006. Okay, let's go to bed, honey.
No, I don't want to.
No, let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna go drink.
Okay. What was that? Oh my god. Oh my god, turn the lights. Turn on the lights.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's just go to bed. Go to bed.
No, okay.
Turn off the
We have to figure out the puzzler.
Turn it off.
Was it up here? Was it?
Turn it off.
I wonder if...
Turn it off. Go to bed.
Fine. Good night.